Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you a direct comparison between two of the major AI video generation models, the first being Sora 2 by OpenAI and the second being Google's Veo 3. Basically what I've done is I've generated some videos using the exact same prompt with both models. I'll show you the video outcomes and I'll let you know my thoughts on which one is best for creating viral content. At this point, I've basically given up on trying to use Sora 2, the actual website from OpenAI, because it still hasn't been released outside of the US. Well, I can't access it from Australia. There is no way to generate video without watermark using the Sora app. So I've been using the website OpenArt AI instead. I've also pretty much given up on Dance 2.0 at the moment because the videos take like 20 or 30 minutes to generate. And I'm not that patient. The Sora videos generate in 30 seconds or less. The reason I use OpenArt AI probably the most is it's a reasonable price per video generation. It generates videos without a watermark. And you can see here in the text to video tool, you can basically select from all the leading AI video generation models, all from the one dashboard. You have all of the different Kling models. You have access to the WAN video generator. You've got Veo 3.1, Sora 2. Now they've just added Grok Imagine. You can also use, I haven't really used this one much, but I will be testing this out in a later video. Halo, or however you say that. It's got LTX and a few random ones here, but I mainly use Kling. I use Veo 3, I use Sora. I have been mucking around with Grok. It is getting better. I've given both Veo 3 and Sora 2 the same prompt. It says, point of view from a porch security ring doorbell camera. A tabby cat walks up with a green parrot on its back. The parrot's face gets very close to the camera and he says, excuse me, have you seen our friend Linda the squirrel? A confused woman's voice is heard saying, John, there's a parrot at the front door. So let's have a look at what Veo 3 did with that prompt.
Excuse me, have you seen our friend Linda the squirrel?
John, there is a parrot at the front door.
So you can see there that it's kind of glitched out with not only the voice, but the cat appears to walk off and then is still there at the end. This has been my general experience with Veo 3. It's very hard to prompt it the way you want. It's like dealing with an angry toddler. So here's another one that it created with the same prompt.
Excuse me, have you seen our friend Linda the squirrel?
John, there is a parrot at the front door.
So it just feels very clunky, and it's put this stupid ring camera like, it looks very unnatural. Now, when you compare that to the couple of videos that I created with Sora 2, I created one here in OpenArt AI. The other video aggregator that I have been using a little bit lately is called Top Media AI, because they reached out to me and gave me a bunch of credits. So I can use Sora 2 within here. So let's have a look. This is my favorite one. This is what Sora 2 did with that exact same prompt.
Excuse me, have you seen our friend Linda the squirrel?
There is a parrot at the front door.
So you can see right away that the Sora 2 video looks a lot more genuine. It actually does look like it's from a Ring camera. And it's got my prompt right because the parrot actually speaks in a parrot type voice. This is my second favorite one. This is also with Sora 2. I'll put this in full screen.
Excuse me, have you seen our friend Linda the squirrel?
John, there is a parrot at the front door.
So this happens from time to time with Sora. It puts these completely, irrelevant words on the screen, and it's like half English and half just completely like broken. I was able to post this video and just remove that using the magic eraser. So basically my opinion is that Sora 2 is way easier and way better for creating viral content. And that's only the 720p. I mean, I do have the ability to create it in 1080p as well, but it uses a lot more credits. It uses 3 times the amount of credits. And I think the quality of the 720p is just fine for making viral social media posts. So I basically stopped using VO3. That was what I was using early on. I find the audio that's generated in Sora 2 is much better as well. I'm running a number of viral accounts at the moment on TikTok and on Facebook, and exclusively all the content that I'm creating is using Sora 2. Until something else comes out that's better, I will just continue to use that because it's easy, it's cheap, and it's very quick, and it creates content that goes viral very often. So if you want to try out OpenArt AI, it comes with some free credits. I'll leave a link in the description. Full disclosure, of course, I am an affiliate with OpenArt AI, but I am also a paid customer with OpenArt AI. I've been using it to generate a lot of my content because it's just so quick and it comes without a watermark and it's basically ready to upload. Makes my AI slop creation a lot easier than getting a VPN and trying to access the Sora website, from the US. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this content valuable. As always, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to support me. And we'll see you next time.